In this episode of Van to Bike, it's our favorite season, off-season. We're packing up the dogs and the van, skis and bikes, and we're heading to Lake Placid. We're going to tell you about the one item you need when you have dogs and vans, and Peppa also gets a new bed. We're also going to test our foldable oven for the very first time to make our Thanksgiving dinner. If you're into mediocre content, posted irregular on YouTube, this is the place. Okay. I am looking for our skis. We'll have some skiing in Lake Placid. I think they're gonna open. What I saw is they have already groomed some of the trails, and Friday will be opening day. So that's the first. We'll be there for opening day. I've been messing around with it for 10 minutes now. Finally, so I actually figured out that if I stick the skis in the corner diagonally, that door will still shut. Yup. So we can actually leave our little dividing door closed. So then we have all the riffraff down there, the bike, the skis, and we can live in the front and then keep it separate. I like it. Now all I need is to unwinterize the van. So I need to find the toilet, which is next to the toilet. And if you are camping without a toilet, then I don't know how you do this, but porta potties, way to go. I think this one was like $50. It's worth it. Since we don't live in a van full time, I basically take all the water out if we're not going anywhere, so to winterize it, to make sure nothing freezes. So if we do go somewhere, I have to, of course, fill up the water, make sure the pump works, and we're good to go.
Sit. I can't fit. Ah! My cookie dough. God forbid I don't have my cookie dough.
And now we're gonna try a sheet metal easy bake oven on this trip. We made We made Käse Spätzle. I made Käse Spätzle yesterday.
I made schnitzel.
She made schnitzel. Käse Spätzle is easy. We just gotta heat it up. So I think the oven will do that. The cookies will be worst case scenario. They'll be doughy, I guess, which isn't a bad thing.
I don't think. Yeah.
And then.
Wow, that's a lot of shit you're gonna make.
It's been a while, but I guess I think that's full enough. Like crazy. And off we were on our rather short in-state trip because it's 2020 and there's a pandemic, so it's frowned upon to, cross state lines and go to other places. So we stayed in New York.
Serenading to sinking moon.
Oh, that's not gonna work. I don't think so. I'm not doing that. There's the feet.
Use the feet, Jürgen.
Too tall. Eventually we did arrive at the Heart Lake campground in Lake Placid. Winter is by far our favorite season to go camping because it's uncomfortable and it keeps people away. And there's always spaces available. It's never crowded, and the people that camp in this kind of condition, it's muddy, it's cold, it's wet. They're just they're cool people. So there's tons of trails right from the campground. So we actually ended up taking the dogs on a little walk. It got dark, and luckily there's lights. So here's our number one tip for people with dogs and vans. Get yourself a thick quilled almost waterproof blanket and cover your bed every day. And that blanket becomes the dog's blanket at night. But during the day, you can basically have them on there. No mud, no fur gets on your blanket. And then at night, you throw it down for them and they can sleep on it. Okay, and then it was time to test the portable, collapsible sheet metal oven. Oh boy. Oh, it's an oven.
That's an oven, alright.
You wanted an oven.
Just take the cover off so you don't.
Okay, it was time to add the Spätzle. And then maybe a schnitzel? Or 2? Or 3? Well, all of the schnitzel? Sure. This was the point that we realized that we couldn't really heat up our vegetables because the oven was taking up all the burners. So I just placed it on top and just wanted to see if that works. Update is 3:25. Yeah, 3:25.
I think we should get the cookies ready and do it too. If the cookie tray is right there, I think, right?
Yep. Let's go right here.
And then I can take the dough out and let it warm up. And then we'll mix the cookies.
Let's see the cookies. So far good. It's all cooking. It's Thanksgiving in the box.
5.
There you go.
It's bubbling.
Is it? Alright. Schnitzel and Käsespätzle. Yay.
Good luck, look. Now watch. Ready? Ready?
It's bubbling.
It is bubbling.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at it.
We gotta set the timer.
Can you do that?
Yep. Back. Hey. Peppa. Back. 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 Stay. Get out of your mind.
I think I should maybe move that over here. No, it's all bad.
That's all bad. You can't get away from the dogs here. They're everywhere. I'm gonna take a corner of that. You'll eat a corner. Jesus Christ. That is a lot of food. Are they ready? No, are they ready?
I think so.
Oh, they did become one. They look good.
So now... I forgot.
What, the oven's hot?
Yeah. I might as well put this over here for now.
They look good.
Yeah,
They're not actually
Is that my
brown.
phone?
Yeah, that's your phone, yeah. Well, alright. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And here's the ultimate hack for dogs in vans. At night for sleeping, if you have 2 swivels, set them up right facing each other, and then you just gotta cover it with a little blanket. I got a pad, and then there's more floor space. I mean, Peppa was basically, she's only a year old, but she was getting big enough that Frankie and both of them, they just couldn't manage on the floor. So now we have 1 up, 1 down. We got a bunk bed, and everybody's thrilled. And yeah, this was something we've had available for a long time, but just it took a while to figure it out. Happy campers. Bye. Next time on Van de Bike, we're doing bike touring, we'll do candy cross, we'll go cross country skiing in the worst conditions possibly ever. we climb a mountain just to see what's up there. I will show you our latest updates to our heating ducts so we can be comfortable in the winter. And also, why did I have to drill another hole in my van? So please like, subscribe, follow us along if you want to see what's next. I'll try to get the next video up in the next week. And we'll take it from there. And why do they always poop where you have to pick it up?